Today, I will show you how to send queued emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing I want you to do is sign into your Gmail account. And the other thing I want you to understand is that queued emails are emails that are typically stuck in Outbox due to connection issues, app glitches, or other factors. They usually send automatically once resolved, but in order to manually send them or fix them, what you can do is, after you sign into your Gmail account, you can go to the left side of this sidebar here and you can look for Outbox. If the emails are stuck, you'll find Outbox here, but if not, you can come here and you can search in:\outbox. So you can search in:\outbox and you enter, and it says messages in Outbox will be sent or scheduled when online. So if there are messages here, you can trigger the send manually here, else it will be sent automatically. Now that's how you send queued email in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.